Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play match versus AI in debut match of eFootball 2024. So this is the challenge event for 100 eFootball coins. Let's get started by tapping this dream team, tap and tap the join events here. And this one, challenge event debut match. Welcome to debut match. Play a match with AI and immerse yourself into the world of eFootball. So the reward is 100 eFootball coins. Tap continue. So I made this video for beginner and new into this game, how and still confusing how you can challenge the event and complete the mission or objective. Sorry. So you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get back. Tap debut match, and you can arrange your gameplay first. If you're done, you can tap the match and searching the opponent. So you face this AI for 100 coin. I'm using Manchester United and face Barcelona. So please win this game so you can get 100 coin for the rewards. You can use the coin for buying a pack. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, as well click text button below. Enjoy the game.